How many cell phones we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Look. Never mind. Don't look at the picture. I hate that picture. I hate that picture. Look at it. You got that picture? With the backpack? Yeah. Shit?
I like that picture.
Oh, that picture right there? Yeah, that's my baby. She's gonna come back to me, y'all. She's coming back. And look at my babies, look at my babies, look at my babies. I took them to the jungle in Costa Rica. I had them deep in the jungle, my babies. Look at my babies. We go back right there, look. There goes my little baby mama, look. This is my babies. These are special women. Special women. Yeah. Big up, watch out. Oh, big up.
Oh.
Big up. You heard? Yeah, babe. What? Okay, can I get him? Where's the feed for him? Let me get the feed right there on the right side. How do I look? Come on. My makeup. I'm live. This is packing away?
Yeah.
We're good. Yo, come on, makeup. I can't hear it. Can we get them on the speaker? Should we get this speaker? Little one. Where's the feedback for her? Oh, she gonna have me up there. You got feedback for that?
This is big. Let's see that one.
What's that?
I'm gonna set it up better.
All of the information is very troubling. He's going to answer the question. So I just want to say that we are also going to sit down with the brother, let him speak, and answer the questions of the things that we've been seeing as far as the behavior within his community. So with that said, I'm just going to follow my king and try to get through this the best way possible.
I stand out.
And I also want to say peace to those queens up there. They look very beautiful. Always beautiful and poised. Peace to the sisters and peace to the brothers. They're different things for the day, correct?
Just shows my show.
Did you want to let the family know that too?
Hey, 3 God, I want you to. Hey, 3 God, I want you to. Hey, 3 God, I want you to know that you're live. We on the air, and I know you're doing your thing. I get it.
He said he's going to be dangerous with you.
Man, get my shit right. It's growing, baby. It's starting to get, massive now. It's growing, baby. I wouldn't even be in the 3. It says F y'all trying to torture the 3. Cause y'all being weird, and I'm really at the point right now in my life where I really don't want no weird shit around me, my nigga. I need some real 3s around me, nigga. I need real niggas around me. I need some real bitches around me. Nigga, I'm free. I'm 3, nigga. I'm the 3 guy. Y'all wanna embarrass me? I'm gonna embarrass y'all. I promise you I'm the 3 guy. And nigga, I'll be by my 3. I was always by my 3. I'm still by my 3, cause y'all motherfuckers ain't 3ing with me. Y'all acting like y'all 3ing with me, and then the camera come on, y'all start acting fucking weird as fuck. Y'all think I don't catch that shit? Y'all probably motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? Listen, y'all give a fuck. Y'all weird. Y'all really weird. And that's probably why y'all came to me, because I got so much swag. So that y'all seen that I got swag, and y'all want to come in my life and be like, I want what he had. Give me 2 shots of what he had. Yeah, you want a shot of what I had? I'll give it to you. But y'all niggas gotta grow, my nigga. This is the moment right here. I ain't got time for this shit. I'm gonna be all the way fucking real. This is for my documentary, nigga. This for my documentary. Y'all niggas is extras in my movie, nigga. And if it's my movie, y'all motherfuckers gonna be on my time and do this shit the way the fuck I say it. It's my motherfucking house. Y'all motherfuckers get the fuck out. All of y'all motherfuckers get the fuck out. If y'all motherfuckers don't wanna do it my way, the 3-way, the motherfucking 3-way, the motherfucking 3-way, get the fuck out of 3 house. This a motherfucking 3 over here, nigga. Get the fuck out of 3 houses. It's America, nigga. I got every right. I open my home to the motherfucking community to teach y'all about the 3, and y'all motherfuckers coming here trying to embarrass the 3? Huh? Y'all motherfuckers ain't gotta be here. This is the 3 hours. I'm violent. I'm violent. I like that. I'm a violent nigga. I'm a gorilla. That's right. This nigga Smith. No fucking God, nigga. Fuck this phone, nigga. I made this phone and I made you, nigga. Ever disrespect God, nigga. Smack that nigga. Fuck, don't you ever disrespect me, nigga. This is not my fault. This one, I'm gonna you. Did I ask for a strawberry? Bitch, did I ask for a strawberry? Huh?
No much.
Don't you ever in your motherfucking life give me no motherfucking strawberry unless I ask for one, motherfucker. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Fucking ooh, it's right out. Attitude in her face.
What? Say, ooh, that was a good one.
Let me punch you in your shit. I'm an abusive man. That's what I am. That's what I am. I need a woman that like to be abused. We said right, smack her. Smack her. No, smack her. Fucking playing, bitch. Get your motherfucking mind. Sit up. Sit up, bitch. I said right. I just said right. You ain't listening to me, ho. Up! Smack her! I don't know nobody else like me, bro. I don't know nobody else on this planet like me, bro. that can say that they're God, and they got real life worshipers in they like literally people don't understand like these women and people that come to me, they monthly worship me, bro. They really think I'm God, bro, and I am God, and they know I'm God, and they souls belong to me. Just like in the Bible, Jesus said, these sheep, no one can take them away from me because God has given to me. And it's like literally y'all are doing the same thing, bro. Y'all follow me everywhere I go. Y'all won't even let me go out the room, bro. Y'all carry me upstairs to go to sleep. Bro, I don't gotta do nothing. I just say right now. I swear to God, right now, anything I want from this house, I get. Like, if I sit in this chair, I'm like, take my shoes off. Rub my feet. Hey, where my admin at? Get on your face, ho. Respect the black man. The black man is God.
The black man is God.
Put your arms to the side. Black man, I apologize to you.
Black man, I apologize to you.
For being a bitch.
For being a bitch.
For not supporting your dreams and your ambitions.
For not supporting your dreams and ambitions.
Black man, you are the greatest man to ever be on this motherfucking planet, even in your ignorance.
Black man, you are the greatest man to ever be on this planet, even in your ignorance.
And I should support you up or down, rich or poor. I should give my money to you, but I'm sitting here with your ego.
And I should support you up or down. I should give my money to you.
I should give my money to you, black man. Say it.
I should give my money to you, black man.
Because in the end, you all I got. You are my protector. And just because you down don't mean that I gotta disrespect you.
And just because you're down doesn't mean I gotta disrespect you.
Outstanding.
I stand out.
Well, go ahead and stand up then. Outstanding. Bitch, if you ever stand over me, I will. You gotta humiliate these hoes. They humiliating you. Look at your life and look at mine. You wish you can do this, nigga, with your life, and you would do it in your own way. You could never do what I'm doing right now. Never. You would need, I'm doing this without money. They gave me money. Could you find some idiots online to pay you to do this to them? I bet you could. Can you find some weak niggas online that have money that will give you money to humiliate them publicly? Can you do it? If you can, let me know. Let me know. To their faces, like a real nigga. I'm the real troll, and they paid me to do this to them. How much money you gave me, sir? How much money did you give me? You ain't gave me shit. You've been feeding off of that. You've been feeding off everybody. But if you can give me money, how much would you give me? How about you? How much money you give me?
70,000.
70,000. And you? Nothing.
If I could, everything I have.
If you got win the lottery right now, would you give it to me?
All the whole shit. All the whole thing.
You would give me the whole lottery if you won?
I'll give you a whole lot.
How about you? Yeah. You've given me how much? Now, $30,000. And you, how much have you given me?
Close to 40,000.
40,000. And you? A few thousand. And I if you hit the lottery, would you give it all to me?
All right, this is the verdict of the jury in indictment number 24 CR 1183, State of Georgia versus Eligio Bishop. On count one, how does the jury find? Count one is rape. Guilty.
I'm the 3 guy. I'm on that.
And count two, false imprisonment. Guilty.
I'm the 3 guy. I'm on that.
Count three, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. Guilty. Count four, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. Guilty. And count 5, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions.
Guilty.
All right.
I'm violent. I'm violent. I like that. I'm a violent nigga. I'm a gorilla.